Hi, I'm John Ross, Senior Consultant with Marshall Institute. I also happen to be the subject matter expert for Marshall on material management and all things storeroom related. That's a topic I'd like to speak with you today about. Did you know that in the United States alone, we spend $150 billion, that's billion with a B, just on spare parts? In fact, in your organization, it's very likely that up to 30% of all the spending done on industrial spending in our location is just reliability related. And inside of that, 40% of that is just for spare parts. It's a huge part of our business. And let me just ask you this question. Is our storeroom and is the operations around our spare parts, is it conceived as a core value driver of our business, or is it just a place where we collect parts that we never tend to use? I'd like to invite everyone to come out to either one of our public seminars, join us in a webinar, or ask us to come into your location specifically and teach our material on site to you. The ideal folks that typically attend this and benefit greatly from this are storeroom clerks, storeroom supervisors, maintenance supervisors, planners, and schedulers. The importance of having those people together, I just want you to imagine those three people sitting around talking about the content of the course that we've discussed, the exercises that we've gone over. They're going to slowly start to develop the strategy that will work for you in your location by working together during class and exercises and after class during dinner or travel to and from the class. I'd like to invite you to visit our website. Thank you.